Good morning, Scrap for Cash. Get your asses up and get to scrapping. It's only 6:30 in the morning. Get up. Or stay home. Happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Asshole. What do you think? Is there anything to be found? Think we can find something? A little something maybe? Oh, I see something. I don't know. Get what I see. By golly, you're gonna come out of there. There's a little something. There's another one down in there, but I have a feeling it's gonna be buried. If I got here a little sooner, maybe could have got some stuff before it got buried. So we're gonna have to go with that. See what that does. If you're wanting to come through here, what might this be, folks? I cannot tell you how happy this makes me to find this kind of stuff. In case you don't know, I do play guitar. I love finding musical equipment related to guitars. So I'm not going to be cutting that one up or trashing it. Okay, I just got dumpster juice rained on me. Oh. Man, that was an unholy kind of smell just then. Let's roll on through up here. Anyway, I've decided, in an effort to get subscribers, because I don't know if you've noticed or not, but we are moving in the right direction on subscribers. But I'm getting, we just surpassed 90,000 views on the channel. It's a teapot, coffee pot. There's a lot of them little knick-knacky things in there that I would use to blow shit up with. I take these and I like to shoot them. Trying to get one in particular because it kind of looks like that. So I'm gonna hang on to these. These would be good to sit on the fence post out in the lower 40 and practice my marksmanship. Alrighty, little gutter action. See if I get these in the truck without breaking them. Until I'm ready to break them, that is. Shove down in there. Cool. Anyway, back to the subscriber issue. We're getting a lot of views. Subscriber count is going up. And thank you for the ones that are subscribing. Appreciate the hell out of you. So now we're going to do, this video is going to be called the subscriber drinking game. I'm not promoting any drink in particular, but it is going to require some audience participation at home. And I think we can have some fun with it, if you know what I mean. You know, and then if I see something that gets me sidetracked, I'll get back on it here a little bit, so bear with me, but I'm not really seeing anything other than a bunch of trash. So let's go back to the game. I figured if you want some subscribers, I think, hey, you got to have content on your channel that people want to subscribe to see. For the most part, I think I got that. I mean, every now and then I might have a bad video or a bad section, but I think I try to mix it up pretty well. And the second thing, you got to have views where people are actually watching it. And we definitely got that. And then you got to have subscribers subscribe. And that's kind of where we're coming up about 4 layers short in the old cargo pants. So we're going to call upon my younger days, and we're going to turn this into a drinking game. So the way this is going to work is throughout this video, in random times, I'm going to yell out the word subscribe. And you all got to yell out fat bastards, and then you got to take a shot. This is the law offices of Daryl, and his other brother, Daryl. This video is for entertainment purpose type stuff only. We do not recommend drinking at all. We do not recommend drinking alcohol at all. We are not recommending you take drinks during this video. This video is for entertainment purposes. Watch and participate at your own risk. This has been a public service announcement from Daryl, and his other brother Daryl, Law Offices Incorporated, Bumble Tarryton, Oklahoma. Thank you. Or a drink, or a bite of your sandwich, or a piece of candy, however y'all want to do it. Whatever makes sense to you. I will say this: if alcohol's involved, the game will be a lot more fun. I'm just subscribe. Fat bastard, I heard you. Beer's fine. I'm okay with beer. Diet Coke's good. You know, then your game, if you're drinking soda, your game could be every time I say, you know, subscribe, you got to yell fat bastard. Then see how long you can hold it before you have to start peeing down your leg. That's the rules. Subscribe, you fat bastards. So when I say subscribe, you say fat bastards. And drink. By the end of this video, you're going to think I am Steven Spielberg. It's going to be awesome. Let's see what happens. And comment if you're still able to type after the end of this video. You're not gonna know what you find till you get out and start looking a little bit. Everybody does know what this is, right? It's gonna be a little something to carry around for a bit, but that is a aluminum wheel. I will take for sure. And how about this, guys? Will you take a battery? Why, yes. Yes, I will. That's a good little stop. So all I really have to do is break that tire off that rim. And there you go. Subscribe. Well, in the immortal words of art. Hey, brother. The immortal.
Happy Father's Day.
Happy Father's Day to you too, man. Hope you got good things planned today.
Yeah, I'm grilling on and cooking.
Yeah, me too, man. I'm grilling out later.
It's supposed to be our day. They're supposed to be grilling for us.
Yeah, it don't work that way though.
It sure don't.
It don't work that way.
It sure don't, brother.
Have a great one, man.
You too, man. Thank you.
We'll see. That was kind of nice, wasn't it? Wish me happy Father's Day. Wished him happy Father's Day. So two dads doing the Father Day thing. Well, we met at a dumpster, so I really don't know what that means, but that was a nice guy. Really nice guy. Made my morning. Subscribe. I said, you never know when it's going to get you. It's just going to crop up and get you. Maybe get it. Can I? There's something right here that needs to get out of the way. Let's do that. There we go. That's a little perfect, actually. Metal, metal. So, metal. Looks like some furniture. Maybe a couple pots and pans, but I'm gonna have to climb in the dumpster to get them all. I ain't doing that. Yeah, it's like two over there, but I can't reach them. I mean, Harry might be able to get them, but I don't bring him off the bench unless it's something major. That boy Harry don't play in the minors no more. He's a major leaguer. Subscribe. Not a nothing behind there. Let's move on to the next one. Yeah, this apartment complex has probably got 15 dumpsters in it, so you really don't have to drive that far. Then you run into another dumpster. Hello, law enforcement. We don't take the law dogs in this area. I wonder what the rest of Father's Day is gonna hold. Let's find out. Oh yeah, in case I forget, subscribe! And I yelled that word a minute ago and I didn't hear any fat bastards. So, you don't need to get with the program. That's included in the game. You have to yell out. Well, Martha? Big ass office chair over there that I can't take. You know. All right, I gotta get a glove on. As the more I'm digging, the more I'm finding. I'm gonna dig. You know, and I really think I can use one of these because I noticed my laptop getting a little hot the other day. And that, I'm assuming, is a laptop riser. All right. This pops up. That sits like that. Yeah, I need one of these. And I found one. So I got a couple things. Ow, ow. And some wire. Cool. Let's keep on keeping. Subscribe. Subscribe. Couple things. Folks, if you got them, light them. This is that part of my programming. You know? That deals with those moments of reflection. And it's got flat tires, so that's gonna go with me. But there's your moments of reflection. There's a big ass bullfrog in there. See him swimming around. All the things that could have done, should have done, wanted to do, didn't do. There it is. Happy Father's Day. This might be the last one in this complex right here. Seems awful heavy to me. There's a reason for that. Absolutely not. Just buried. That's why it felt heavy. Collagen peptides. If anybody knows what them are, comment, but I guarantee you I live with someone that knows what them are. Subscribe. Nada. Let's take a little walk in the woods, shall we? It's a beautiful day for 7:30. It's a beautiful Father's Day. I'm absolutely not burning up today. And I got to get Harry off the bench. It ain't much, but he likes to be used. See, look at him. He's all excited and shaking and put me in, coach. How you doing? Let me in. All right, boy. Easy, buddy. We're gonna get him. You just don't bite too hard. You know what? I don't care. Bite the shit out of him. You drag his ass out of there. You go get him. Come on, Harry. Don't let that thing beat you. Look at there. See? This is another thing. People might laugh. I know somebody that can use this at home with that big ass dog of hers and go around and just, you know, pick it up without having to touch it. That's definitely something. I mean, it's a washing machine. Subscribe. Left me something. Well, look there. It's awful nice of you. Pull that out on Father's Day. Is this my Father's Day gift? Jesus Christ, this is heavy. These I can take for sure. Them going more that way. And somebody's already cut that cord. Some rat bastard has already been through here cutting cords. Apparently, he didn't get the subscribe memo that the cords are supposed to be left for me. That one's been cut too, but I can take those. good scrapping shoes right there. People. Keep throwing them away. I'll keep picking them up. I'll take them. Subscribe. One thing, it's a big ass TV, 77 inches. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I need right there. Anybody wants to donate scrap for cash, a 77-inch TV, I'm all in, boys. Subscribe. You know, maybe something way down in there. Maybe. I don't know that it's worth trying to dig out. And, you know, Harry gets a little upset when I pull him off the bench and it's for like a 2-pound piece of metal. You know, there's a song on the radio playing, "If your heart's not in it, I can't take your body if your heart's not in it." Do we really need a song about that, folks? Really, you never know what you're gonna find until you actually get out and start looking. plastic than it is metal. That's a big ass dryer cord. This is a mess, people. Subscribe. Don't get off. Jesus. That's for a little metal. And dirty metal at that. Nope. Yeah. Something like that. That hurt. Hurt my hand. car seats. Nothing behind the dumpster. Subscribe. Nada. You know, before I get on the interstate with this thing, I got like a little extra strapping down and stuff. I think that's it. I don't see anything that's gonna catch wind and try to fly. Those chairs are all open. That bike is pretty much buried in there. It can't flip out. So, and that looks like a fairly new dog cage, and I'm gonna try to sell that, but we've got a stove, a dryer down there, or a washer down there. That washer down there is one of the heaviest I've had to lift. And then a bunch of stuff. So, let's see what happens. I appreciate y'all that did play the subscribe game. Of course, the main crux of that is just to remind people to subscribe. I'll be heading back in the morning. It's been a decent day, but it took all day to get what I got, and about halfway through, I ran out of battery power. And then been trying to charge it for the last 3 hours. And in the midst of charging, it's when I find the stove and the dryer and the washing machine. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Have fun with the game. It was a game. It's a play on somebody. If you know who it is, you can comment on that. But if you don't mind, subscribe. It helps. I think I'm approaching 650, so I'm only 350 away from my first goal. I'd love to get there, and I appreciate all your all support. So, have fun, enjoy your day. We'll be back at it again tomorrow. Well, Tuesday anyway. I'll be going to the scrapyard then. I've got 2 full truckloads now and probably could get a 3rd one. And then get back into some regular street scrapping. Because even the appliances, the only one that did not come from dumpster apartment complex was that big ass washing machine that was on somebody's curb right at the end, that I had to drop the tailgate down and load it on the tailgate and strap it down enough to get it to a parking lot where I could do some rearranging. So we'll head back in the morning. Hopefully nothing falls off. I'll bring everything else back with me. Had a lot of fun. It was a nice weekend. Weather cooperated. The scrap started off a little scarce. There was hardly anything on the street. So I had to change my tactics up to hit the apartment complexes. But as you can tell, it did work out. So I'll be heading back tomorrow. We'll start all over again. Have a wonderful weekend. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. We don't get enough credit for what we do. But that's the thing about being a dad, you're not doing it for the credit. Have a great day, guys. And don't forget, subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. That was the word of the day. See ya. When you're not quite sure about your load, you got to check it several times on the side of the interstate. And I believe I'm going to be able to drop the hammer on this thing. Nothing's moving. You ever wondered what the side of the interstate looks like? Subscribe and find out. Right now I'm just looking for some scrap. I think I may have found something. If I don't get killed out here, which is possible, I guess. Watch. This will be the one thing that comes flying out. The last thing I put on there. All right. Let's get on back to work. What do you say? Asshole.